On the plate welder pathway, you'll learn how to manually weld plate and structural components to high standards of quality using more than one manual arc welding process. There are a wide range of different welding processes that are used in industries around the world, and they vary according to things like different gases or processes used to create the necessarily high temperature in a safe way. Here you will learn all about these and more. You'll spend time learning about fabrication, construction or repair of fabricated plate and assemblies, extrusions and structural components, often used to fabricate larger components and assemblies. This is a standard suited to people who are proficient in maths and English, with good hand-eye coordination, good dexterity and a good eye for detail. They also need to be conscientious of what they are doing in regards to quality.
I really enjoyed my time at AMRC, being able to use state-of-the-art equipment like the VR welder, the virtual reality welder. I felt like this gave me a lot of confidence when I came to doing actual welding. I also liked that they had courses to do like plate work, MIG welding, TIG welding. I felt like this really helped me out when I come back to company. In the short term, I hope to progress in my education at AMRC and do a higher apprenticeship to get more qualifications. But in the long term, I hope to come back to progress within the company at Dernside Fabrications, do some mentoring, help the other apprentices, maybe go up to foreman level.
At the end of your apprenticeship, you could work in sectors such as fabrication, manufacturing and all types of construction.